Judge number 2.
Good afternoon, candidate number 1. Here's your question. If you could start one advocacy for students, what would it be and why? Again, if you could start one advocacy for students, what would it be and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. My advocacy for students is that we need to choose connection over division. Because through this, we can connect and build a better and healthy community. In unity, it's not just being together. It's about working together, listening together, and celebrating the beauty of the diversity that makes us stronger as a community and as a nation. As a candidate standing here right now, I want to prove to the students that I am beautiful with a heart, and you should always be beautiful and be humble. And thank you.
So first of all, how are you, candidate number 3?
I am very well. I have prepared everything well, and I am ready to face this challenge.
So it seems that you are very confident. This is your question. How can the school encourage students to be more active instead of spending too much time online? I repeat, how can the school encourage students to be more active instead of spending too much time online?
Thank you for that question. I know that each and every one of us here is not that sporty like the RSPS program, but I know that if we can motivate them to be more to have more sportsmanship in them, I know it's sportsmanship in them, they can promote more human and more sporty world. I know that sports is not just a game, it teaches us discipline, teamwork, and understand unity between us. How can they motivate our students to be more active in sports? By the journeys, by the opportunities, and the experience that they will gain when they join the sports. Like Intrams today, it gave opportunity to young students here today who are not in.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3.
Judge number 1. Okay, so are you okay? Okay, so candidate number 2, this is my question. How would you inspire other students to participate in intramurals? Again, I repeat the question. How would you inspire other students to participate in intramurals?
I would encourage other students to join intramurals, especially in sports, because sports is very important in our life to keep us physically fit, emotionally fit, and mentally fit. And also, I will encourage them to build sportsmanship, because even though you lose, even though you win, you still have sportsmanship in your heart or in your life. And this in Mr. and Miss Intramurals, I will encourage other students to join this because to build their confidence and activeness. And I thank you.
Hello, contestant 4.
I'm ready to win our prize.
Good. I'll be repeating your question twice. What recurring problem do you observe during intramurals, and what do you think is the root cause of it? What recurring problem do you observe during intramurals, and what do you think is the root cause of it?
I'm sorry, may you repeat the question, please?
Baka pwede kong yung Tagalog. Okay.
The last part lang po, ma'am, is quite not sure po.
Can you understand now? Okay. What recurring problem do you observe during tribunals? And what do you think is the root cause of it?
Thank you for that well-structured question. First of all, the problem that I see in intramurals is sometimes we don't really unite with each other and we have different opinions about stuff. The root cause of it is just really we're not having unity in agreeing and stuff. So if I were to solve this problem, I would invite everyone to actually I'm sorry. I would help and encourage everyone to practice unity because we all share the same goal, and I thank you.
Okay, candidate number 5, this is your question. If two teams accuse each other of unfair play, how would you handle the situation if you were chosen as a student leader or role model? So, repeat. If two teams accuse each other of unfair play, how would you handle the situation if you were chosen as a student leader or role model?
If I were a student leader who is going to face this problem, first I will ask both sides for their story, and then after that I'll ask them to talk to each other in a well-mannered way and not fighting. Because without this, they're not talking in calmly, they're not talking calmly, everything will go downhill, everything will go downhill. And I think if I explain both sides to both teams, then the problem will be solved clearly.
Good afternoon. Inhale, exhale. Good. What motivates you to join this competition? Again, I repeat. What motivates you to join this competition?
My motivation is of course my family, because they're the one who taught me first. And of course my teachers. They helped me to come this far.